In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to cancel your Gemini Pro subscription. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the official website of Gemini. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the gear icon given at the bottom left. Now head over to the option View Subscription. With that, you'll be directed to this page where you're gonna find all of your subscription plans. Select the one that you wanna cancel. Click on it, then click on the option Cancel Membership. Google may ask you to confirm your decision more than once and may also ask for feedback about why you are canceling. Simply follow the prompts, choose a reason if you would like, and continue until you see the confirmation message that your subscription has been cancelled successfully. The good news is that even after cancelling, you'll usually continue to have access to Gemini Pro features until the end of your billing or trial period, so you won't lose access immediately. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the subscription page and select resubscribe to reactivate your membership. Just keep in mind that once you resubscribe, billing will resume according to the plan you have selected. And that's it. That's how you can cancel your Gemini Pro subscription. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.